find my name in some paperwork, you can have this right here. It ain't nothing but the Life 50. You can have this. Find my name in that paperwork. Find a nigga in Memphis I snitched on. Find a nigga in Memphis that ever did something to me, nigga. Straight up. Ask about me.
Big Glock, little bit ass nigga. Yeah, nigga, that ain't this. And nigga, this ain't that. Yeah, I'm a dog ass nigga and I ain't never chased a cat. Yeah, Glock put money over bitches, that's a well-known fact. 42 in Percocet, she say that's a party pack. Yeah, paper route bitch, I'm a part of that. I got a whole lot of everything, yeah, I need all of that. Bitch, cutthroat committee, yeah, and I'm the quarterback. I got racks and all of that, black straps and all of that. Racks, I got all of that. 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 Racks and straps and all of that. Racks on top of racks on top of racks, look like a building. Racks on top of racks on top of racks, might buy a building. Coding back to back, yeah, back to back, cause I'm the illest. Coding back to back to back to back, cause I'm the illest. Little nigga alive, trippy and fly. I be so goddamn happy, like I'm standing on the sky. Yo, all I see is money, I keep my eyes on the prize. Yo, all I see is money, I keep my eyes on the prize. Yo, little nigga in middle school, chunking up the five. Yo, 8th grade, nigga, me and my guys shirt 9. Yo, we was hot as hell, we couldn't wait to cuss her down. Yo, word around town, that boy Glock don't play around.
Hey, y'all, Lil Migo just gave y'all a song. Lil Migo just gave y'all a song. Matter of fact, hey, go follow that, man. Everybody go follow Lil Migo. We need y'all. We need y'all right now. He need attention. He need attention.